no woman is surfacing yet. And even if they came up with the second list, we already know that we are second-class citizens. That should not be happening in today's world. If any leader in this world thinks sober, like now in Kenya, women make over 50% of the Kenyan population. Why should we be treated as minority? The 2/3 gender rule is still being ignored. And yet, when these people look for votes, they come around persuading women first. He has to make sure that at least in the next list, not less than 8 women are appointed there, because women have potential. They work hard just like anybody else, and anybody to succeed anywhere, if they do not take women serious, then I think we will continue lagging behind as a nation. If you remove women and then you don't do anything about it, it sends jitters. And I think he is hypocritical. He lies. He's a hypocrite. He should not ignore women